Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and my dog Honey and I love to walk, but the problem is she often gets her paws very dirty, or she walks in areas where she could get pesticides on her paws. So this paw cleaner has been very effective in washing her paws. I needed something that was easy to use but effective in really washing her feet. I was worried that she would be skittish using this paw washer, but she was very calm and it was extremely easy to use. You just fill it with water, and it has these little scrubby, soft, scrubby rubber bristles on the inside. So you just have to stick the foot in and out a few times and it gets very clean, even in between the toes. They've also included some drying cloths, so it's really easy to keep your dog's paws clean, whether you're worried about salt, the winter roads, or just mud. I'm also concerned about pesticides when I'm walking her, so she likes to lick her paws. She's a very clean dog, so I want to make sure that her paws are clean when I bring her home. So if you have a dog and you want to keep their paws really clean like I do, this is the size large. I highly recommend it for washing your dog's paws. It's easy to use, she didn't mind it at all, and it's effective. And that is my point of view.